This is the TEC Torch handheld thermal breaching tool. The TEC Torch is engineered to be compact, safe, fast, and versatile. The TEC Torch is compact. Both the cartridges and handle weigh less than 1 pound each. It's safe and simple. Most operators can understand and implement the tool with minimal training. It's fast. Standard cartridges provide a 2-second burn time. A 5,000-degree Fahrenheit metal vapor jet quickly erodes metallic targets. And it's versatile. The TEC Torch has applications for tactical breachers, first responders, and salvage companies. Users can cut a diverse set of targets without the hassle, weight, and expense of acetylene or oxygen hose cutting systems. The two main components of the TEC Torch are the thermite cartridge and electric handle. TEC Torch cartridges contain a proprietary blend of metals and metal oxides. A small amount is pressed and sealed inside an aluminum shell with an electric igniter integrated inside the cartridge. The cartridge is attached to a handle grip that contains an arming switch, fire button, and small electric battery. When activated, the handle initiates the internal electric match, and the internal reaction ejects a jet of metal vapor, destroying any target in close proximity. The system is designed to be versatile. The back end of the cartridge has a rugged and simple coax electrical connector that forms a mechanical joint to the handle. This connector is common to the splitter and extension cables so that users can quickly assemble an entire system custom to the scenario. Users don't need a large bag of unique parts for each mission. Now that you've seen how the TEC Torch's speed and portability can save lives, contact us for more information or to make your purchase of this handheld thermal breaching tool today.